lost my face on the streets. You didn't give me another chance. I put my finger on the trigger and sent my enemy to the stars. Now the bullets are my friends, I seek their company. They help me to get out of tricky situations. I don't trust in politics, I know many shady tricks. Some people call me bastard, some call me Jesus. I don't need no alibi, in spite of my committed crimes. I don't give a damn about laws. I do what I want, I take what I need. All I see here is crown on my seats. I see people die, I hear women cry. I'm the Duke of West Point, and these are my streets. There is no place I'd rather be, live a life of luxury. I'm wanted and I'm famous, people looking up to me. I believe what my mom